first, in my nan's house. And look, this is the pre-light fixture. Pretty cool, huh? And then I'm going to be showing you my nan's Miele Novotronic Premier 520 washing machine. Very nice chrome door as well. I won't do anything bad to it. There's where the filter is. Very nice glossy finish to it. I absolutely love this machine. Very lovely. Brushed motor, of course. Made in Germany. Unlike my hot point, which is a made in China. You can have 95. No, that's the same. It's got woolens, quick wash, automatic. And it sets the temperature as well. Minimum iron, quick wash, automatic, starch, separate rinse, minimum iron, stuff like that. Good of soak, pre-wash, main wash, rinses, rinse hold, drain, and final spin. Again, I like the way you press on. I like the way you press the door, the little open button. That is really nice. It's got a water control system on it. Very lovely machine. Turn it off. It goes off. Another water plus. You can have, there's your start button. Soak, pre-wash, short, rinse, hold without spin. You can have the maximum is 1200 RPM. Very lovely machine, and this is a very lovely old Miele Novotronic Premier 520. Like I said before, I absolutely love this machine. Of course, it'll have a push motor because Miele's always do. Look at this. My hot point feels a little bit flimsy, and so does the door. Unlike hot point, the door is complete metal. On my hot point, it's plastic. Guys, that'll be it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.